Get ready, truck enthusiasts. The 2025 Ford Maverick Lobo is here to redefine street performance trucks. Want to know more about this game changer? Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends who love trucks. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news. The world of truck tuning has often been dominated by rugged, off-road beasts designed to climb boulders and race through deserts. But Ford is shifting gears and bringing back the excitement of street performance with the all-new 2025 Maverick Lobo. This truck is all about the streets. The Lobo rides on a specially tuned lowered suspension with springs and dampers optimized for street performance. It sits a half-inch lower in the front and 1.1 inches lower in the rear compared to the standard Maverick. This gives it a mean, aggressive stance that screams speed and agility. One of the standout features of the Lobo is its upgraded brake package. It includes dual-piston front calipers borrowed from the high-performance Focus ST, all wrapped inside sleek 19-inch black disc wheels. The truck also boasts a black painted roof with body-colored rocker panels and rear bumper, giving it a sleek, cohesive look. Now, you might be wondering about the engine. Ford isn't increasing the power of the Lobo. Instead, they're providing a new canvas for street truck builders. Under the hood, you'll find the Maverick standard 2.0-liter turbo 4 engine, which delivers a respectable 238 horsepower for the 2025 model year. The Lobo comes standard with all-wheel drive, complemented by a dual-clutch rear-wheel drivetrain with a differential lock. This setup helps direct torque between the rear wheels, improving cornering performance at the limit. And for those looking to push the envelope, the truck features a Lobo mode. Similar to the track mode in many sports cars, this mode enhances cornering performance, grip, and stability. Ford is now taking orders for the Lobo, with deliveries set to begin in early 2025. Pricing details are still under wraps, so stay tuned for more information. The Lobo is part of the updated 2025 Maverick lineup, which features revised styling and several exciting updates. This includes a larger 13.2-inch infotainment display running the latest Sync 4 system, replacing the previous 8.0-inch screen. Additionally, all-wheel drive is now available with the Maverick's hybrid powertrain. The Tremor off-road package, previously an add-on, is now a standalone model, joining the new Lobo and the existing XL, XLT, and Lariat trims. With the 2025 Maverick Lobo, Ford is not just bringing back street performance, but also offering a versatile lineup for every type of truck enthusiast. Whether you're into off-roading or street cruising, the 2025 Maverick lineup has something for you. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited as we are about the 2025 Ford Maverick Lobo, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the latest trucks and cars. See you in the next video.